Let's talk about the latest launched Honor Smartphone 300 Pro with neo-futuristic aesthetic. Porthole mirror set design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED quad curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus cutout punch hole display, resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels. 19.85 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.08% screen to body ratio, approximately 437 ppi. Pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, 4000 nits local peak brightness, HDR color quality support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor main wide-angle camera with aperture 1.95 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50-megapixel Sony IMX856 sensor 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.4 and support optical image stabilization, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor-centered punch hole at the center on top of the screen, wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.1, along with 2-megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 9.0 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3 GHz. Single-core Cortex-X4 plus 2.95 GHz pentacore Cortex-A720 plus 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of RAM, with 12GB, 16GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.3 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options, Starlight Stand, Ink Rock Black, Chaka green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5300 mAh battery, with 100-watt wired superfast charging, 80-watt wireless superfast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP65 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor 300 Pro has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Honor 300 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.